Okay, had a washing machine here that overflowed the top. Can you tell what's going on? Can you see it there? Right in the center there, there's the pressure hose and the pressure switch. This one came apart from the pressure switch. Well, looks like this had happened before, and whoever replaced the hose did not use the long enough hose. And it could have been me, I'm not sure, but I don't think so, but it's possible. So I reattached the hose up top, and then looking down on the bottom on the right side, I could not see the hose, and that's because on this particular machine it was on the left side. A lot of times I see them on the right side, but anyway, here's what I found was the second hose, and then here's the hose. So someone left the existing hose and added the new hose, and here it is where I'm attaching the hose. Nothing wrong with leaving the old hose there. It's got a lot of tape on it and it gets all over your fingers. Sure, it's got to get that nut pulling off. But see, it's a little bit of a stretch, and what happened is it goes right around the side of the machine. You can see here, and it's kind of tight around the side of the machine, and I can see like almost like a little bit of a bubbling in the plastic material. Well, the bin's going to rock around a bit. It's just what it is, you know. It's a washing machine. It's going to move stuff around, but I did try to see if this was going to work and run it, and here it is running it, and that didn't work out because it started filling up too much. It's going to overflow. So turn it back off, and it's time to change the hose. Problem was, I pulled the hose forgetting that the machine is full of water. So if you're going to replace the hose, you definitely want to, so I kind of plugged it with my finger, but you definitely want to drain the machine first, and then replace the air hose. And getting a new one on can be kind of tricky, so I used my Phillips screwdriver here to widen it just enough, not too much, so that it made it easier to put on. And it's threaded through this little harness steel, so you want to make sure it goes through there. That's like a strain relief. And then I gave plenty of slack, but put the slack where it's definitely not going to rub on anything, so just giving it a shake and making sure it's not going to rub. And I've clipped it under, it's got these special clips on the back, and then fed it on up and through. Pulled out the old one, threaded a new one. Don't forget to connect the lid switch. That was there. And here it is filling, making sure that it'll shut off on its own, which is what wasn't happening before with the old hose when I reattached it. Now this one shut off on its own just like it should. There it is. And this was on the medium setting. Probably a good idea to recheck it at the large setting, but it's good to go now.